Greetings, English 12 honors students. You are now entering Lesson 3, Courage and the Bully. Your essential question for this is, how can students stop bullying? And I know you may be thinking, how does this actually relate to the things they carried in war and everything else? But think outside the box. Conflict. Conflict actually raises its ugly head in many different ways. So there are some things that you need to think about throughout this lesson. Your getting started this time is a YouTube video. So be sure to actually watch this video prior to entering the remainder of the lesson. As always, you have a graphic organizer. This particular one takes you through the enemies and friends portion of the vignettes. So you will need to have this graphic organizer as you are reading. Your reading assignment is enemies and friends. The pages are there as well as the PDFs. And then you want to read this or watch this video, I should say. Watch this video about the notes. You want to do that after you have refreshed your memory about those vignettes. Then on to the collaborative learning. The first one is a discussion. Let's talk about it. It is about the bullying. Make sure to read the prompt carefully. Your reply for this one is only one because there is an extra project in this lesson. So again, just pay attention to your directions. The next discussion is dealing with conflict. This one has a reply to two people. This one again talks about conflict. So again, that's thinking about war, bullying, all sorts of things. Then you're going to move on to your independent activities, which always entails your vocabulary practice. Here is where you will find out who your essay partners are. So be sure to read the instructions very carefully. It talks about how you are going to divide the work for the essay. There will be a pro portion and a con portion. Then you each have to have your own opinion on the idea of war. And again, you want to make sure that you are collaborating because the grade will be shared. So you want to make sure that the essay is shared as well as that you are helping each other edit and revise as needed. Make sure to follow the directions as far as what's going to happen here. And again, here are the partners. Sahithya, I do have you working alone for this particular essay because I know you also have your Lehigh class. You are now working on the outline portion for your essay, so that is the WebQuest graphic organizer for this particular one. Again, you are lesson 3. You are doing the draft. Here's the link back to the WebQuest if you need more clarification. And here is the assignment. You will notice that you are uploading your outline and your rough draft to this particular assignment so that I can look at it and give you some feedback as well. Now, on to the actual project in this lesson. Again, like I said, this has an extra item in it. So you are receiving this lesson early so you can get started. Be sure to read all the directions very carefully. Your job is to create an anti-bullying flyer and a short video. This will be a collaborative effort, so you'll again want to make sure you read directions and all of the items that are included here. Moving forward, you have been assigned to partners, and one partnership is actually 3 people. So you will make sure to divide everything. You will notice that I expect you to meet face to face with your partner at some point. I don't have to see it, but you need to do that. You also need to take the flyer to the school together and get a selfie together. So again, you want to show that you're working collaboratively and work that out ahead of time. And then you will report out in either the flyer or video assignment upload area as to how the partnership actually worked in the end. Obviously, if you're having any issues with partners, collaboration, or anything else during this particular assignment or the essay, you need to notify me immediately. Please do not notify me after the fact. I can't do anything after the fact. However, I can help you and assist you while you are working on it. So the project is a poster and then a video. You have your journal reflection. Again, you want to upload any kind of graphic organizer that you're supposed to in the beginning of the lesson. And there are actually 3 questions here that you will want to make sure to address in your journal as well. And finally, a lesson quiz that you see is 5 questions and 14 points. As always, if you have any questions, please contact me.